Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to download and install audio driver in Windows 7. So the first thing that you required is you require a model name or the number of your laptop or system. The model name is generally written at the back of your laptop. So just note it down somewhere. In my case, the model name is ATXG Lenovo IdeaPad 320E 14ISKU. So after you have noted down your laptop model name, what you have to do is just go to the browser and now first type the manufacturer name of your laptop. In my case it is Lenovo. And after this just type drivers. Now suppose if in your case the laptop manufacturer is Dell, then you have to type Dell drivers here. And after this just hit enter. Now just click on this first link, the support link of the manufacturer site. Now just click on this button view PC support. Now just click on this browse product and then just click on this laptops. Now you have to select the series and the sub-series. And in order to select the series and sub-series, you have to look at the model name of your laptop. So in my case it is Lenovo IdeaPad 320E 14ISK. So the series will be 300 because it is 320E written over here. So the series will be 300 and the sub-series will be 320E 14ISK U. So let me just select it. So it is IdeaPad 300 series laptops. And now I will select the sub-series, that is 320 14ISKU. So here it is 320 14ISK laptop IdeaPad. Now for operating system, just select Windows 7 if your system is having Windows 7, and just select this Windows 10 option if your system is having Windows 10 operating system. In my case it is Windows 7, so I will not change it. After this just go down and in the left hand side just click on this option drivers and software. Just click on this tab manual update. And now you can see this option audio. Just click on it. So here is our audio driver. Just click on this arrow icon to expand it. And now just click on this download icon to download the driver. So the driver is now downloaded. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Now what you have to do is just double click on this driver software. Click on the yes button. Click on the next button. Choose this first option, I accept the agreement, and click on the next button. Click on the next button and click on the install button. Click on the finish button. Click on the next button Now with this first option selected, yes, I want to restart my computer now, just click on the finish button. I will choose this second option. No, I will restart my computer later as I am doing the video recording. But you just select this first option and then just click on the finish button to restart the system, and it will install the audio driver in your system. So this is how you can download and install audio driver in Windows 7. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.